All right, so I'm going to be working on a 2008 328 Xi. It's got 236,000 miles. It's got the N51 engine, and I got a check engine light with a P0444. A little bit of research has identified this part here. It's the Evap Purge control valve, which is located underneath the throttle body, and there's a little control box with wiring under there that I need to gain access to. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to remove the airbox and the intake boots, as well as the throttle body, and then I'm going to relocate the power steering reservoir, put it off to the side to gain better access. So hopefully should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so I've made myself some room here, removed the airbox and the intake tube, and I also removed the throttle body that's located down there. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to clean that up. I've got a new gasket that I'm going to replace there. And I'm looking at the intake manifold here, inlet. One of the connections to the purge valve is right there. I was able to undo that. And then I was looking at the control box, and underneath there is this portion of the purge valve. So I was able to release that. There's a hose with an O-ring, and then there's an electrical connector there, spring-loaded. I was able to remove that. So it's loose right now, and I'm just going to pull it out and basically just put the new one in there, make sure the connections are tight, and put it all back together. So not too bad.